Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to flip a video in Filmora. To flip a video in Filmora, the first thing to do is to open up the Filmora application on your mobile device. Once you are inside the home page of Filmora, go ahead and click on the New Project button. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery and then click on the Import button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you import the video onto your timeline, go ahead and tap on the video clip and then from the bottom menu available, tap on Rotate. In the Rotate menu, you will be able to see the flip option. Tap on Flip and you will be able to see that the video clip has now been flipped horizontally. Now the video clip has been flipped vertically. To flip the clip horizontally, click on the mirror option. You can also flip your video left or right according to your preference by choosing the left or right option. After you are happy with your flip, go ahead and save your changes by tapping on Export at the top right corner and select the export option of your choice. And that's how you can easily flip video in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.